Hi guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, we are going to create this soap basket using Creo parametric. So let's get started. So first of all, I need to select this working directory. So let's select this. Yeah, this is going to be my working directory. So then let's click on new and click the default template and let's rename our part as soap container. Okay. Then our unit as spot solid ABS. Okay, done. So here I'm just going to start my sketch either on the top or my front, yeah, I'm going to just start my sketch by this section here. So let's zoom it out. Okay, so here let's click on top plane sketch and let's go for the sketch view. Here let me just draw a rectangle, sorry, a center rectangle like this, and the height will be 96 and the width will be 136. 96 here, 136. Okay, so then we need to add some sort of radius for the edges. That will be 12. Okay, fillet for this one, for this one, and for this, and for this. Like I just want to make all these fillet as an equal fillet so that we can able to change the radius as the same for everything, right? So this will be 12. Okay, so then we need to create the features here, so that for that they have given any radius value for that, like this will be radius 3. Okay, so I think the inner thing that will be the offset value, so that's fine. Oops, sorry. Okay, like this, that will have an offset value of 6.6. So offset loop, this one, and direction towards inner side, so minus 6.6. Okay, so let me just close this, and I think this looks really good. And I just want to verify whether this dimensions are the same. This will be 96, right? Yeah, and from here till here this will be 136. Yeah, that's right. And radius of 12 at the outer side. Okay, that's fine. Like everything is good. So then the next thing here is like I just want to create this cut feature here. Like you can see like this cut feature. So for this, like they have mentioned this distance, like this will be 64, and yeah. Okay, so for that I just want to place a point here and here, and this will be 64 divided by 2 and 64 divided by 2. Okay, and then a straight line from here till here, from here till here. Let's delete the unwanted segments. Okay, so that's all guys, like we have done this part. So let's click on OK and let's go for the extrude. And I just want to make this extrude as a symmetric extrude, and the extrude value that will be 16. So let's enter the value of 16 here. Let's go for shading with edges and let's click on OK. Okay, we got a feature like this. Looks really good, right? I think we have done it correctly. So the next thing here is like we just want to add a couple of round features for this. As you can see, this has some full round feature here, but here they haven't mentioned any kind of like round value for this edges. Okay, um, okay. Anyway, we can do this because this is a kind of full round feature, right? So we don't want any exact value for that. So like I think you guys can able to know like how to do this full round feature. Like we have to select the one face, control key, and we have to select the other face. And the next thing is we need to go for the sets. Let's click on full round, click on the top surface, and then you can have your entire model as a full round feature on the face that which you have selected. Okay, Okay, so then we have created the round features here. So the next thing here is like we can able to directly we can go for the creating this rib features here. So before that, I just want to create these two holes here. So for the holes, they have mentioned this holes distance as a 40 and the diameter as 5 and the height value of the holes is 5. Let's select this face. Directly we can go for the extrude sketch view, and directly I'm just going to draw two circles with the equal constraints and with the height of 5, and this will be 20 and this will be also 20 as a total of 40, and then this diameter value as 5, and then OK, and flip the direction as a remove material feature, and let's click on let's click on through all feature here. Okay, that's all. Like we have done this. So the final thing here is like the rib. We have to create all these ribs in here. Okay, so for the ribs, like we can start creating our ribs from this part. So first of all, we need to calculate the distance between these two ribs, like distance between this, and this, and this. So for that, let me just click an idea for you. Okay, 1 minute. Let me just open the calculator. Okay, so the total length that will be 96. So 96 minus this length, like this inner length, that will be 64. So 64. So balance, like we have left with a value of 32. So this will be 32 divided by 2 and this will be 32 divided by 2. So then we have to divide the 32, that should be divided by 2, and then we can able to get this is 16. So this gap, that will be a value of 16. 16, 16, 16, 16, 16, 16, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 16 into 6, like we can get the entire total value of 96. So 16 is the value of the distance between these two points. Okay, either you can like 1, 2, 3 and 4, like 4 into 16 we need to have the 64 value, like 16 into 4 we can get the value of 64. So the distance is the value of 16. Okay, so let me just close this and hide this drawing, and I just want to create a plane from the front plane. Oops, sorry, from this front plane to a value of 16. Okay, so this will be the first plane. The next plane from this plane as a 16. Okay, and then either like we can take mirror of these two parts. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so the next thing, either you can do with this plane, either you can create a new plane by using this plane, or else like you can create an axis for the circle, and either you can go for the plane. Oops, sorry, I just selected the axis. Either you can go for the plane, select this plane, and like drag it like this, and control key you have to select this axis, and you have to enter the rotation angle of 0, and then you can see that this got created in here, like between this, right? Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so that's fine, but like let me just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, that looks really good. So yeah, we can go for creating this rib features here. So the first rib here is that will have a length of 74 and with a height of 12 and with the radius value of 3, like 74, 12 and 3. Okay, so let's select this first plane. Let's go for the sketch. Let's go for the sketch view. Here, like you guys don't, the guys like don't go directly for the extrude because we are going to do sweep feature. So for the sweep feature, we have to sketch first and then we have to go for the sweep. You don't go for the directly go for the extrude. Okay, so let's place a point here and here, and this will be 70. Oops, sorry, I forgot about the value. 74, 74 divided by 2, and this will be 70. Oh, sorry, 74 that will be divided by 2. Okay, so then let's draw a line. like this, and the height will be 12. Okay, oh, yeah, 12.04. So then let's add some fillet value for this. So fillet here and fillet here, and the fillet radius will be 3, and here also 3. Okay, we got the 12 here. Okay, so 12, 74, and the radius value of 3. Okay, so then the sweep value. So for the sweep value, like they have given, yeah, 3.8 as a diameter for the sweep value. Okay, so sweep, sketch, sketch view, circle here, and this will be 3.8. Okay, okay, and then that's fine. So now you can see we got created a picture here. Like this looks really good, right? Exactly like the same. So let's go for the next feature here. So for the next 129.4, the same height of 12 and with the same radius of 3, 129.4. Okay, so let's click on the next plane, sketch, and let's go for the sketch view. Here also I'm just going to do the same, placing a point nearly this. This will be 129.5 divided by 2, and this will be 129.5 divided by 2. 129. Oops, sorry guys. 129.4, that should be divided by 2. Anyway, we are not going to have any like 0.05, but we need to do with the accuracy, right? So then we can able to get the same exact model. Let's have a sectional view, and you can see that this is got placed in the center. Let's draw a line from here till the bottom like this, and this will be the height of 12. Sorry, fillet for this two, and for this two, and the radius of 3, and for the radius of 3. Okay, so then let's click on OK here, then go for the sweep again, sketch, oops, sorry, yeah, sketch view. Let's draw a circle, and with the diameter value of 3.8. Okay, and you can see that we got created this feature. Okay, good thing. Okay, that looks really good. So I think like we can able to mirror all these. Okay, let's select the sweep, mirror on the opposite side. Okay, and let's check whether this got placed perfectly. Yeah, good. So then let's select the second sweep, mirror towards the center plane first of all. Okay, and let's mirror this. So the entire thing, mirror this towards the center plane. Okay, okay, like this looks fine. Either you can create one more plane at like this middle of, like in the middle of this, and you can directly mirror this on the other side, and then you can directly mirror this by using this plane. So I don't want to use that because sometimes like the values may be changed, so you can't like if you take this mirror option, sometimes like you may miss that exact value. So I'm not suggesting you guys to do that. Okay, so this will be 129.4, that should be divided by 2. 129.4 divided by 2. Okay, line like this. Okay, like this, and height will be 12. Fillet. Okay, okay, so this will be 3, this will be 3. Okay, fine, like 12, 3, and yeah, the same values. Sweep, sketch, let's go for the sketch view. Let's draw a circle with the same of 3.8 as the dia. Okay, and then okay, let's mirror the sweep which we have created last. Okay, Okay, that's fine. So that's all guys, like we have done this part. I think this looks really good right now. Let me add some couple of like appearances for this. So before that, let me check, like they have not provided any kind of round feature for this. Okay, let's give some additional features. Okay, let's have a round feature. I don't know like whether this round features will work for this way. Okay, this looks fantastic, right? Because these things, like this should have some round features. Definitely this should have, right? Okay, okay, for this and for this and for this, for this and this. Okay, so this is amazing, right? Okay, so let's give appearances, view, appearances, and I just want to give some metallic steel light brushed. Okay, for the entire part. Okay, that looks really good. Yeah, we got created this, and these two looks like the same, right? Okay, done. We can close this, and let's go for the shading with reflections, and let's have some realistic look here. Okay, so that's all guys, so thanks for watching. And if you want more videos related mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below, so that I will upload more and more videos based on Creo and Power BI on a daily basis. So that's all guys, so thanks for watching this video. We will see the next video with a very interesting content. Until then, bye.